Scorching, sweltering, oppressive. All of those words fit when we're talking about the heat wave that's covering much of the country. When it is this hot, it's not just uncomfortable, it can also be very dangerous. Joel D. Smith is live in Lockhart to tell us how folks are trying to prevent heat-related deaths like the ones we've already seen this year. Good morning, Joel.
Yeah, good morning. We've seen 2 in the city, in the country, just this past few weeks, this last heat wave throughout the Midwest, 22 deaths being blamed on the heat. This morning we're here at Alsburg Lutheran Home and Villages. They have the air conditioning inside. Should not be a big issue for them today, but if you're checking on people, we need to let you know what to look for. We got Chere Cofield with us right now. You've worked here for a while. You're used to dealing with the older folks. What is it about the heat that just makes them so susceptible?
Well, first of all, their body doesn't adjust to the temperatures like the younger population does. Their sweat glands aren't working like ours are going to work. We're going to sweat and cool down. They don't feel that like we do. So
if we're checking on them today, we go to one of the homes that, we just know is going to be hot. What can we see in them that maybe gives us an idea we should call somebody?
Well, you want to look at their skin, first of all. If they're looking red, dry especially, you definitely want to get them to a cool place. If they're complaining of dizziness, nausea, those are some definite signs. If you touch them and their skin feels hot, definitely get them to a cool place.
And then put maybe a cool rag on them as well?
Cool rag on them. If they're in a position where they can actually get to a cool shower or bath, that's definitely a great tip.
All right. And then when we're looking at what you can, we all know about drinking. Stay hydrated, stay away from the alcohol and the soda. But foods, any foods that might be a good idea today?
Well, fruit in particular is definitely refreshing because it does have some water content in it. So that'll refresh you, cool you down, and also hydrate you at the same time.
All right, not bad. Have you ever seen somebody that really is going through something, not really here, but in your career?
Yes, definitely. They're listless, they're dizzy, they can't quite hold a constant conversation with you. So those are some signs, especially if that's not their normal behavior.
And it comes on quick?
Comes on quick within 10 to 15 minutes in these extreme temperatures.
All right, stay cool today.
All right, you too.
All right, thanks for your help. Not a real problem here. Once again, they're recommending people stay inside today. They can go for walks if they like, but really, if you have the air conditioning, take advantage of it today. That's what they're going to do around here. And if you have that, go to the cooling centers. It's a code red day in the city. Patrice, some good advice right here from an expert.
Oh, absolutely. But not everybody can stay in the air conditioning. And it's scary to think about what she's saying. It can come on in as quickly, as quickly as 10 minutes.
That's why it's so important to check on these folks, not just once, but a few times throughout the day, because we know these conditions are going to get worse and worse and worse. Try to get them to a safer place, but otherwise, check on them as much as you can.
All right, Joel, thanks.